Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 64. 괜찮아. Again, it's 괜찮아. The Korean word 괜찮아 is an informal way to say it's okay. Again, 괜찮아 means it's okay. And as mentioned, this is the informal way of saying it's okay. How do we write 괜찮아 in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable, 괸, we need to draw first a giok character, followed by an o character, followed by an e character, followed by a neon character. And as you would notice, the combination of the o and e sound led to the creation of the we sound. So that's it for the first syllable. For the next syllable, chan, we need to draw a chiat character, followed by an a character, followed by a neon character, followed by a hio character. And for the last syllable, a, we need to draw a placeholder iyong, followed by an a character. And then we just need to combine these 3 syllables. And with that, you've just learned 괜찮아. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 54 to 63. But don't forget our word for today, word number 64, 괜찮아. This is an informal way of saying it's okay. The first word for our review is 웃다. This is a verb which means to smile or laugh. Next word is 마시다. This is another verb which means to drink. Next word for our review is 먹다. This is another verb which means to eat. Next word is 갑시다. This is a formal way of saying let's go. Next word is 가자. This is an informal way of saying let's go. Next word is 울다. This is a verb which means to cry. Next word is 하다. This is another verb which means to do. Next word is 가다. This is another verb which means to go. Next word is 뭐예요 or 뭐예요, and this is used to say what is it. And the last word for our review is 이름. This is the Korean term for name. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 65. 괜찮습니다. 괜찮습니다. The word 괜찮습니다 is the formal way of saying it's okay. If you remember, our previous word is 괜찮아, and it's the informal way of saying it's okay. And this time we have 괜찮습니다, which is the formal way of saying it's okay. How do we write 괜찮습니다 in Hangul? we have 5 syllables. For the first syllable, Gwen, we need to draw first a giak character, followed by an O character, followed by an E character, followed by a neon character. And as you can see, the W sound is formed from the combination of the O and E sounds. For the second syllable, Chan, we need to draw first a chiat character, followed by an A character, followed by a neon character, followed by a Hio character. So this is just similar to the first 2 syllables of 괜찮아. So that's it for the first 2 syllables. For the third syllable, sub, which is actually pronounced as sum, we need to draw first a siot character, followed by an character, followed by a biop character. Next syllable is ni, we need to draw a neon character, followed by an E character for that. And for the last syllable, da, we need to draw first a dikat character, followed by an a character. So looking back to the third syllable, as you can see, it ends with a biop character. And it is normal in Korean language to switch that sound into a mium sound when it is followed by a neon character. And that's why it is pronounced as sum instead of sup. So with that, you've just learned 괜찮습니다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 55 to 64. But don't forget our word for today, word number 65, 괜찮습니다. This is the formal way of saying it's okay. Next word is 괜찮아, and this is the informal version of 괜찮습니다. Again, 괜찮아 means it's okay. Next word is 웃다. This is a verb which means to smile or laugh. Next word is 마시다. This is another verb which means to drink. Next word is word number 61, 먹다. This is another verb which means to eat. Next word is 갑시다. This is a formal way of saying let's go. Next word is 가자. This is the informal way of saying let's go. Next word is 울다. This is another verb which means to cry. Next word is 하다. This is another verb which means to do. Next word is 가다. This is another verb which means to go. And the last word for our review is word number 55, 뭐예요 or 뭐예요, which is used to ask, what is it? Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.